this video, we'd like to showcase the Stucchi diverter valve solution for excavators. Excavators can use a variety of attachments, ranging from a digger bucket with a hydraulic thumb that's oftentimes permanently attached, to the use of a hydraulic breaker. The operator needs a quick and efficient way to switch between these attachments. That's where the Stucchi diverter valve comes in. Included in the diverter valve is all of the adapters needed to plumb from your machine to the diverter valve, as well as an adapter to plumb your thumb and a quick disconnect to connect those attachments. The diverter valves allows the operator to select between using the thumb or using a hydraulic attachment. There are many different ways that this can be mounted on an excavator. One of the most common ways is to weld an included bracket to the machine and then paint that bracket to match the color. The diverter valve then can be bolted on. Most of the time, a diverter valve is mounted on either side of the arm just based on how the excavator's plumbed. Another way to mount it is to drill and tap into the excavator arm and mount directly to it with the diverter valve with the included bolts. Once installed, the diverter valve can be used by selecting which circuit the operator wants to use. To use the hydraulic thumb, simply actuate the valve so that the line comes in from the machine and then points to the thumb adapter. To switch to an attachment, connect the attachment to the machine, then attach the quick disconnects to the attachment. Then turn both ball valves so that the line points from the machine to the quick disconnect port. There are many benefits for using the Stucchi diverter valve kit, including increased productivity, decreased environmental impact, and increased machine life due to less contamination introduction and air inclusion. You find your operators will have increased productivity because they're able to switch between these attachments with less downtime. There's less environmental impact because instead of opening the lines to the environment and spilling oil, this allows for a clean solution to make that connection. And there is improved machine life because there's less contamination introduction into your system as well as air inclusion. This is one of many Stucchi solutions we have to offer for mobile construction. Just contact your Stucchi representative for more information.